How to hide your WhatsApp DP. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your mobile device, launch the WhatsApp application. After that, make sure that you're logged into your account, and once you land on this chat page, now head over to the upper right corner and tap on three dot icon. From this drop down menu, tap on settings. That will take you to your settings page. Here again, tap on privacy, and under this page tap on profile photo. From there you can either customize the people to whom you wanna hide your DP from. So if you tap on my contacts, then only the people from your contact will be able to see your photo. Or if you tap on my contact accept, and from here you can simply select the profile that you would like to hide your DP from. Or if you go back again, then tap on nobody, and nobody will be able to see your WhatsApp DP. And that's how you can hide WhatsApp DP. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit the notification bell icon for more upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching. I will see you on next video.